The Bosch boiler error code CE-207 indicates a low pressure issue. This error code can be caused by several common factors, including inadequate water supply, the lifespan of the boiler, or a faulty pressure gauge. To resolve the issue, it's essential to ensure there is adequate water supply going into the boiler, which can be affected by clogs or switched-off faucets, and to verify that the faucets are turned on and the water pressure is sufficient. Another potential solution is to consider upgrading the boiler, as the average lifespan is around 10 years, and a boiler that has been in use for over a decade may have outlived its usefulness. Additionally, it's crucial to maintain the pressure gauge by cleaning it regularly, blowing out the connected pipe to remove any blockages, checking that the pointers are normal and functioning properly, and calibrating the gauge frequently. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to consult a trained technician for further troubleshooting.